teacher.
Hello, my friend.
Hello,
Tell me,
teacher.
please, what's your name?
My name is Kris.
Kris, tell me, how old are you?
I'm 6.
6. Can you please show me where is number 6? Yes, over here. Wonderful. Okay. And where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
And where is Vietnam? This is Vietnam. Very nice. Okay. Kris, tell me, please, what animal do you like?
I like dinosaurs.
Dinosaur. Where's the dinosaur over here? Yes, very nice. Tell me, how are you today? Are you happy, angry, or sad?
I'm good.
You're good. Okay, give me a high five. Good job. We are going to talk about animals. Tell me, please, what animal is it?
It's a rooster.
It's a rooster. What animal is
It's
it?
a donkey.
It's a donkey. Very nice. Tell me, please, what animals are they?
They are 3 goats.
3 goats. Okay. Tell me, Kris, what animals are there?
They are 2 horses.
2 horses. Very nice. And what animals are there?
They are 3 sheep.
Sheep. That's good. Okay. Can you please tell me, is it a cat? Yes or no?
No,
No, it
it
isn't. Yeah. What animal is it?
is a wolf.
All right. Tell me, please, what animals are they?
They are 5 donkeys.
5 donkeys. Yeah, there is a baby donkey too. Okay, tell me, please, is it a dog? Yes or no?
No,
No, it isn't. Tell me, what animal is it?
it's a cow.
It's a cow. Thank you very much, Kris. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.